In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a knowledge base in ClickUp. We'll go from a blank workspace to a structured wiki-style document that your whole team can use. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up, where to click, and how to start filling it with useful information. First, you'll want to open ClickUp and navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want your knowledge base to live. Think about where your team naturally goes to find information. Placing your knowledge base in a familiar area makes it much easier for everyone to discover and use it regularly. Next, create a new doc. You can do this by finding the doc section in the sidebar or by using the plus icon wherever docs are available in your view. Give your doc a clear descriptive title that reflects its purpose. For example, you might call it Team Knowledge Base, Internal Wiki, or something specific like Customer Support Knowledge Base. A clear name helps people immediately understand that this is the central place for information. Once your doc is created, look to the top right corner of the doc window. You'll see an ellipsis icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on that ellipsis to open the Doc Options menu. This menu contains several settings and customization options for your document. In that menu, find the option labeled Mark as Wiki. It will appear as a toggle that you can turn on or off. Go ahead and toggle on Mark as Wiki. When you do this, you're telling ClickUp that this doc is meant to function as a wiki or knowledge base rather than just a regular document. Marking the doc as a wiki gives you a few key advantages. It helps organize your content using nested pages so you can break information into sections and subsections. It also makes it easier to navigate, turning your doc into a structured hub instead of a long scrolling wall of text. This structure is what turns a normal document into an actual knowledge base. Now that your doc is marked as a wiki, it's time to add your knowledge base content. Start by creating an overview or home page. This should briefly explain what the knowledge base is for and who it's meant to help. You can then add additional pages inside the wiki for different topics, such as onboarding, processes, policies, or frequently asked questions. As you add your knowledge base, try to keep your headings clear and consistent. Use short descriptive titles for each page so users can quickly find what they need. Group related information together and avoid mixing too many unrelated topics on a single page. This makes your knowledge base easier to browse and maintain over time. You can also take advantage of formatting options inside the doc to make content more readable. Break up long paragraphs, use headings, and highlight key terms so people can scan and absorb the information quickly. Remember, the goal of a knowledge base is to make answers easy to find and understand. Finally, share the doc or grant access to your team so they can use and, if appropriate, contribute to the knowledge base. Encourage people to keep it updated as processes change or new information becomes available. That's all there is to it. You've created a doc, marked it as a wiki, and started building out your knowledge base in ClickUp.